Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. With 10-minute morning yoga routine for a refreshed start to your day. In this video, we will guide you through a series of gentle yoga poses and stretches that will help you wake up your body and mind and get you ready to tackle your day ahead. So, let's begin. Pose 1. Mountain pose for 1 minute. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart, palms facing forward, and eyes closed. Take a few deep breaths and feel the energy flowing through your body. Pose 2. Standing forward bend for 1 minute. Exhale and slowly bend forward, reaching for your toes or the floor. Let your head and neck relax, and breathe deeply as you feel the stretch in your hamstrings and lower back. Pose 3. Downward facing dog for 1 minute. Step back into downward facing dog, with your hands and feet on the ground, hips up, and head down. Hold for a few breaths, feeling the stretch in your back, hamstrings, and calves. Pose 4. Child's pose for 1 minute. Come down onto your knees and sit back on your heels, stretching your arms forward and resting your forehead on the ground. Take deep breaths and feel the stretch in your back and hips. Pose 5. Cat-cow for 1 minute. Come onto your hands and knees, with your wrists under your shoulders and your knees under your hips. Inhale and arch your back, looking up towards the ceiling, cow pose. Exhale and round your back, tucking your chin to your chest, cat pose. Repeat a few times, flowing with your breath. Pose 6. Cobra pose for 1 minute. Lie down on your stomach, with your hands under your shoulders and elbows close to your body. Inhale and slowly lift your chest off the ground, keeping your shoulders down and elbows close to your body. Hold for a few breaths, feeling the stretch in your back and chest. Pose 7. Seated forward bend for 1 minute. Sit down with your legs stretched out in front of you and reach for your toes or ankles. Let your head and neck relax and breathe deeply as you feel the stretch in your hamstrings and lower back. Pose 8. Butterfly pose for 1 minute. Sit down with your knees bent and soles of your feet touching each other. Hold on to your ankles or feet and gently flap your knees up and down, feeling the stretch in your hips and groin. Pose 9. Happy baby pose for 1 minute. Lie down on your back and bring your knees towards your chest. Hold on to the outer edges of your feet and gently rock side to side, feeling the stretch in your hips and lower back. Pose 10. Savasana for 1 minute. Lie down on your back with your arms and legs extended, palms facing up. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths, allowing your body and mind to fully relax and rejuvenate. And that's it. Our 10-minute morning yoga routine is complete. We hope you feel refreshed and ready to start your day. Remember to take these moments for yourself each day and stay tuned for more videos to help you on your journey to health and wellness. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the video.